creative inspiration flows through you. It's almost kind of mystical. I don't know if you've ever had the experience of reading something you wrote and thinking, wow, that's really good. Hopefully, y'all have. But almost thinking, did I do that? That's amazing. So that's the way that the duende feels. Idea of flow that also is talked about with athletics, that something else sort of almost takes over, that you're tapped into some kind of higher power. The way the Spanish think about it in flamenco is that sometimes the duende comes to you and sometimes it doesn't, and you can't control it. But I think what you can do is create the conditions where if the duende decides to visit, you're going to be able to take advantage of it.